I am Antonio Morelli, and I am an instrument pipefitter at C&P Engineering Services. I always enjoyed maths and science at school. I was always looking for an apprenticeship, and eventually found the right one online. The hands-on training is priceless. I wouldn't feel as comfortable going straight into the field from college. Day to day, I create piping systems by measuring, marking, bending and cutting pipes so they will be a good fit for instruments in the field. At the moment, I'm working on a chemical plant. It is high risk, so our safety procedures are very important. I love learning with my team because we all have our own strengths and weaknesses. Together, we really make a difference, making sure these important sites are working as they should, while also looking out for each other.